This is why I say whenever you have insulation blown in the attic, you know, that's all well and good. The problem you get into, electrician and cable guys, whoever, are going to come up in the attic and they're just going to throw the stuff out of the way. AC guys too. They're going to throw the stuff out of the way so they can look for the floor joist. And of course when they leave, they're never going to put it back. So it's going to cost just a little bit more, not much. But if you have it blown in around the perimeter of the roof where a person can get over there and lay bats, then that's the best way to do it. That way when the trades guys come up in the attic, you don't pay them until they put the bats back. And of course you'll make sure they do that because they want their paycheck. But it's just one of those FYI things for your information.